Hi everyone, I'm Gilles Argivier and today I'm going to show you my 12 proven techniques to rank in the top 3 of search result pages. And you'll see techniques 4, 9 and 11 may surprise you. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the alert notification button to get notified on all my new posts. Also, this is part of a 3-part mini-series, so if you want to check the other episodes, join my newsletter, go to my website or follow me on my social media channels. The links are in the description below. Technique number 8. Leverage maps. Maps are definitely worth investing in. For some amazing reasons, they fascinate people. A simple search in Google for maps will show you exactly what I mean. 10 of thousands would appear. There are all kinds of maps you can find. So what you need to do is to create an interactive map and post it on your site and promote it. Since the map will be ever-changing, visitors will come back over and over again. Technique number 9. Leverage tools and calculators. Like maps, making tools and calculators available for all to use is extremely powerful as it creates returning visitors. Unlike infographics, these tools and calculators can be used repeatedly for a long time and people will share them and link to them. Sure, it can be a little expensive to develop your own tools, but there are some resources where you can buy some very affordable ones. For $20 or $30, you can get a very good set of tools that you can install on your website and that will bring you a lot of recurring traffic. Check out Envato Market, a resource I use myself and that will save you a lot of money. Technique number 10. Check out your brand mentions. This is when you have been established for a while and a powerful tool to leverage. It is very possible that people have already mentioned your brand online without necessarily linking back to your site. If you find them, you can then reach out and suggest to them they link back to you. These are the 3 steps to follow to check out your brand mentions. Step number 1. Go to Google Alerts. That's a free service. Or use other services like BuzzSumo or SEMrush. There you can create alerts to let you know when your brand or yourself get mentioned online. Step number 2, check the authority of the pages you have identified and select the best ones. Step number 3, reach out to the individuals that have mentioned you and suggest a link for them to post. This way you can even suggest what keywords they can use that will be even more relevant to your site. Technique number 11, leverage podcasts. Podcasts are a huge source of quality links. First, because of their huge reach. There are over 850,000 podcasts in existence today, and that allows you to reach over half of the US population on a regular basis. And as the listeners decide following a podcast to search a company or a person's name, it triggers a signal that is being picked up by Google and will increase your online authority. Second, podcasts do not necessarily have to be hosted on aggregators like iTunes. They can also reside on your own website and give you tons of link building opportunities. If you're more interested to know how to build quality links with podcasts, I have dedicated an entire video on the subject you can find on my website. Technique number 12, do not buy backlinks. These backlinks techniques I shared with you are proven to work, and yes, they require time and effort. So you might be wondering if there is another way to go about it. Maybe another hack or something to save you time and money. And my answer to this is yes. There are plenty of companies out there that you can pay to build links on your behalf. But since paying for links is against Google policy, your site will definitely get banned. And if you think you have a chance to fool Google, try contacting one of these companies that sells links and see if they offer any guarantees. So that's it. If you want to check the other techniques, check out the other episodes on other videos. If you want some help with your digital marketing needs, check out my website at gilesargivier.com. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and tell other people about it. Thank you for watching.